The Office of Marketing and Communications here at Marian University is excited to offer the MarCom Branding Toolkit, a one-stop shop for faculty and staff to order brand-approved and customized marketing materials. It is our goal to provide you with marketing assets in support of your projects. That's why we've developed a user-friendly toolkit that will allow you to create and order your own branded print or digital marketing assets. You don't have to wait in line or submit a project request form. You can create branded materials at your convenience. You can easily order anything from your own business cards to customized flyers and branded stationery. The toolkit is designed to be easy to use, even for those with little to no design experience. You can choose from a variety of customizable templates and add your own messaging to create a Marian University branded and professional marketing piece. Here's what it looks like to make your own business card on the toolkit. The templates are tailored to reflect the values and spirit of Marian University, ensuring that your marketing materials accurately represent our brand. But that's not all. Our toolkit also includes downloadable digital pieces, such as PowerPoint templates and guidelines. Ordering your print materials is easy. Simply select the items you want, customize them to your liking, and place your order. It's that simple. Don't forget to include your purchase order number in the order form. Within just a few days, your marketing materials that you ordered from the toolkit will be delivered right to your doorstep. Get started by creating your own marketing materials with our user-friendly toolkit. Remember, you can always submit a project request form if you need extra assistance from the Office of Marketing and Communications.